Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. Today I want to show you guys how I got this rainbow wig achieved. It's very vibrant and it was pretty fun to make, so stay tuned. So for this wig I used 5 different colors. I'll have everything listed down in the description bar so you can check that out. I'll try to put a link to where you can purchase it, but everything that I used can be purchased between Sally's or your local beauty supply store or even Amazon. So I used Arctic Fox, Kiss, and Adore. Okay, so this 613 wig is from Upscale Lace Wigs. My client purchased this previously. She had been wearing it, so for it to had already been worn, the hair is in really good shape. So this is my first time working with this hair company, but the hair is really nice. So what I'm doing now is I'm just getting all my color into the bowls. 5 different colors, like I said. So I got 5 different bowls, and it's pretty simple what you need to do. Just determine where you want your color to go and just put it there. It's just like painting. And then the important part is just to use foils to separate the colors so that they don't bleed onto each other. And that's basically it. So like I said, just determine where you want your color to go and add foils so that they don't bleed onto each other. And another note is just make sure that you get the color onto both sides of the hair so you don't have any blonde streaks left. The Arctic Fox color is pretty thick, and I know some people do mix it with either conditioner or a little bit of water to kind of dilute it a little bit, make it easier to spread. I didn't do that, so I wanted to make sure that I coated both sides. So you might see me kind of lift the hair up and put it onto the other side of the hair when I take thicker sections. But the Adore color spreads like conditioner, like it spreads like water pretty much. It's pretty runny, so that, you know, is gonna definitely get onto both sides. But the Arctic Fox is thick like conditioner, so you got to really be mindful to make sure you don't miss any spots with that. So I'm just gonna pretty much continue on. It's very repetitive, kind of tedious, because you have to do every strand of hair, but it's pretty self-explanatory what I'm doing here. So I'm just gonna let you enjoy the video, and I'll see you at the end. comment down below and connect with me on Instagram. Thanks again. Bye.